This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, if you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello. Welcome to a video on the budget spreadsheet. And in this video, I'm going to show you what you're going to get when you purchase the budget spreadsheet. So let's get started. The budget spreadsheet, the only thing you have to do is plug in your own information. That is it. All right. Here is your incomes. You can put the name of your income here and then the amounts. And then down here at the bottom, you'll see the total. So that's your total. And this total automatically populates here. You don't have to put anything in this area. On this side is your personal expenses. So once you total that, it gives you what you have left, what you're working with left. All right. And then on this side, you have your business expenses. So you can add all your business expenses here. It'll total up for you. And then it will automatically populate here. And then it'll give you what you have left. So any money you have left, you can use this to invest more in your business or to do something you want to do. Fun. That's not a part of your expenses. Okay, that's extra money for you. Now, if these numbers are, on the other side where there's no profit, there's no, profit, there's loss, then you're going to have to make adjustments in these areas. Okay, so that is how the spreadsheet works. You just plug in your numbers in these areas and it calculates itself. This allows you to see what you can put back into put in your business and what you need to take out, okay, based on your income and what income goals you need to reach for yourself. All right, so that's what you're going to get when you download the budget spreadsheet. So make sure you get one so you can go to the next level in your money. Well, I thank you for watching Next Level Slayer TV. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss out on valuable content that will help you take your business to the next level. Be sure to check out teamnextlevelslayer.vip for more valuable content. See you next time.